Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Insightly to Wix in 2024. Insightly, of course, is a powerful CRM tool, and integrating it with Wix can help streamline your customer management and sales process. So in this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step guide to set up this integration. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Of course, you'll need to go and open both Insightly. So go and open like insightly.com, go to another tab and open your Wix account, so wix.com. And make sure to log in into your both Wix and Insightly. So just click on login here in Insightly, I'll log in with Google so I don't have to fill up my information and the same. Okay, so Wix, I'm already logged in. Of course, if it's your first time using Wix, you'll find yourself on a page like this. You can click on login or get started, login into your account or get started to create an account. And of course, you can use Google, as you can see, or Facebook if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you are here, of course, to connect these two platforms, we will need another third-party tool integration, which in this video, I'll use Zapier. But of course, there's a lot of options other than Zapier. There's like Automate.io, and there's Integro Format, I guess, something like that. Of course, in this video, as I said, I will use Zapier, but for you, you can go and use whatever suits you as an example, or choose even another tool if you want to. So we'll need to go again, open a new tab and go to zapier.com. As you can see, this will take us to their website. Of course, basically, if it's your first time, you'll find yourself here. Click on login or sign up to create an account or login to login into your account. And once you're logged in, you should find yourself here. So the first thing that we'll need to do, go to this list panel, click on apps. We'll need to connect our Insightly to Zapier and also our Wix account to Zapier. So first of all, go here to search apps and look for Insightly as an example. Here's it. I'll just go and click on connect. And as you can see, they'll ask me for my API key. Where I'll find my API key, basically in the user settings page. I'll just go to Insightly, go to my icon right here, the top right corner, click on my user settings as an example. And I'll find my simple API key here. Make sure it does not get leaked like in this video, of course. If it is, you can always go and click on generate a new API key. Of course, once it's connected or once you enter the API key and click on yes continue, you will find yourself connected right there. So connection 1, you will find your account connected right here. So once it is connected, it's time to go now again back to apps. And now we'll look for Wix. So just gonna look for Wix as an example and go again and click on connect. Once we click on connect, as you can see, we'll have to choose one of the accounts that I want to simply connect to this. Or specifically website, not account. So you can see the website that I want to do the connection with specifically with Insightly. Of course, I can go and do multiple like Wix websites here connection if I want to automate a lot of stuff on different or multiple websites. So, for example, I'll just choose this one and click on select. And as you can see, this will just go and install the Zapier into that specific website, as you can see. So it will connect the automation. And once it's connected, as you can see, you will find it connected right here. So once both those options are connected, it's time to go and create a Zap. Or simply go to this left panel and click on create, then go and click on Zaps. And here, of course, we'll have to choose the trigger and the event of the trigger, and of course, the action the event of the action to connect both Wix and Insightly and do an automation between the two of them. Of course, it's up to you now to do whatever you want. You can even use this AI tool to tell them exactly what I want. So, for example, when I don't know, I receive a new order, I don't know, a new order on my Wix website, create a record as an example on Insightly. So on Insightly as an example. So of course you don't write Insightly like that. So I'll just go and fix those stuff. Yeah, Wix it's like that. And Insightly as simple as that. So Insightly, yeah, that should be good to go. Then click on send. as example, and it will create everything for me. Of course, if I want to do, if you don't want to do it like manually, it's up to you to do whatever you want. So as an example, here's it. It does it. Of course, I can add one by one. Maybe I just want this one. I didn't like this one. I want to do it manually. If you want to add them all, just go and click on add all steps to Zap. And as you can see, it will be added here. The next step now is simply to solve those like gray triangle or quotient like sign. So just go and click on that as example. So the quotient sign here in tests, we'll have to test this if it's working or not. Of course, you can make any changes that you want on the events as example, on the count, of course, if you want to connect another site as example on the trigger. So, for example, once an order plays, or you want to change it into a checkout, abandon, or something like that. And here you'll have to test this if it's working. So the trigger, if it's working, you can simply just go and click on test in here, and you'll be able to test that thing out as an example. So here you'll have to enter a record and then click on continue the selected record. And as you can see, this Wix like order is checked and it's working as intended. So you will find a check button right here, or check like logo there. So other than that, so let me just go and zoom to fits again, and I'll just go and click on it, and simply of course, this authentication is expired. Please reconnect in here. I'll just go and click on it. Yeah, of course, why it's expired? Because I basically just changed. I click on generate a new API key and it changed, or it's got changed. So I'll just go and I'll like copy this new one. I'll just come back here, click in here, just go and click on this continue, and it should be solved. So just wait as example a little bit. So yeah, it should be connected now. So I'll just go here, go back. Yeah, it's actually connected. They just connected this, but of course I'll just do it again in here. And I'll just go here and click on change because I guess I changed it. So yeah, connect a new account. Basically the same accounts, but let's see. So this should actually solve the problem. Yeah, so it's solved, as you can see, a check button. Now I'll just go here to action, choose the action that I want to do once I want to create a new record. So what type of record, I guess? So it's exactly the object. As you can see, you'll have a lot of things here. I'll just choose task. Why not? Of course, you'll have to choose everything that you want about this task. As an example, I'll just name it like test in here. And of course, you will have to fill up those informations. Not all of them are necessary. What's required, you'll find required, like example, the tax owner. So example, it's me. And yeah, all of these things is good. I'll just go and click on continue. As you can see, I'll have to test this. I'll just go and click on test setup. It may not work, of course, the test, because like the website is just like created by, or the Insightly like account is just created. But as you can see, it seems like it worked. As you can see, a record was sent to Insightly about 1 second ago. You can go here and check if there's any task like it's created as an example or not. If everything is good, normally it will be created. Once they check this, then it's created. So all they need to do now is publish it. Once it's published, it will keep doing this automatically. Whenever you receive a new order, as an example, a record will be created or a task will be created, and you should be good to go. As simple as that. So you connect it and you automate some stuff. You can automate a lot of stuff. It's up to you now. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.